Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. If you have never tried cream cheese cookies, this is the perfect recipe for you. These cookies are really soft, moist and chewy, and it has the perfect touch of tanginess from the cream cheese. It is so soft that you will feel like you're eating a cloud. So let's get started. Into a large bowl, add in room temperature butter and blend it for a while till it becomes smooth. Now into that add an equal amount of cream cheese and blend that again. Add a splash of vanilla essence and blend it. Now let's start adding the powdered sugar. Add it little by little and blend it nicely with the butter and cream cheese mixture. Now let's sift in all-purpose flour with some salt and baking powder. Mix it nicely with the butter mixture. Once it is well mixed in, you have to refrigerate it. Keep in mind, the dough does need to be refrigerated at least for 1 hour. So plan ahead, it's worth the wait. Once it is refrigerated, take small portions like this, make balls and keep that on a parchment lined baking tray. And slightly flatten it and it is ready to be baked. Now bake this in a 170-degree preheated oven for 12 to 14 minutes. And once it is out from the oven, allow it to cool down on the baking tray for some time, then slowly transfer it onto a wire rack and let it cool down completely. And once these cookies cools down completely, dust some powdered sugar on top. You don't even have to do that, but if you want an extra touch of sweetness, just go for it. These cream cheese cookies are the most heavenly little bites of sweetness. These cookies are so soft and will just melt in your mouth. So do try out this recipe and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.